In number 3, it says determine the positive value of x that makes the equation true. Then explain how you solve the equation. So, first, we need to use our exponent properties to divide out the x to the 7th. So if we had 9 x's on the top and 7 x's multiplied out on the bottom, we would be left with 2 because 7 of them will divide out. Then I add 49 to both sides. And now I have x squared equals 49. To solve it for x, I undo the square by taking the square root. And the square root of 49 is 7, because 7 times 7 gives us 49. Looking at number 4, I can start by taking the square root of both sides to undo it. The square and the square root undo each other. So we now have 8x. The square root of 1 is just 1. And now I divide both sides by 8. And x is equal to 1/8 or 0.125. You might see both of those represented. You could also solve this a different way. You might have started with 8x squared equals 1, and 8 squared is 64, and x squared is x squared. Divide both sides by 64, and x squared equals 1 over 64. If you take the square root of both sides here, you'll get x. The square root of 1 is 1, and the square root of 64 is 8. So you still end up at the same answer.